Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving myself the ultimate hair glow up because my hair looks like a rat's nest right now, and I honestly think that a bird would try to lay eggs in it. I'm going to be oiling my hair and making a deep conditioning Ayurvedic herbal hair mask. So hopefully this will fix my hair up a bit because my roots are super greasy, my ends are super dry, I have some mats, and I am just in need for some hair TLC. So here's the reality, guys. My hair mats easily, and I've become a professional dematter over the years of having long hair. So to get the mats out, I use a detangler brush with really flexible bristles, you know, the ones you use for brushing wet hair. So I just run that through my hair and try to get the majority of the mats out. And then I use my hands and locate the chunks of hair with mats. So you can see I have a big one right here that needs tending to. So I section that off and then take my detangler brush and just gently run it through the ends and just see how much of the mat the brush will take out on its own. And then I use my fingers and just comb through the hair and try to find the source of the mat. And then I just start picking the hair strands out of the mat one by one. This can be really tedious and time consuming, but it's the best way I found to get the mats out without damaging your hair. And then once you've got it out, just begin the process again of brushing with the detangler brush, then finger combing your hair and finding the mats, and then picking the strands of hair out of the mat. And I'll just keep doing this until all the tangles and mats are gone. I have this one chunk of hair that is so much drier and lighter in color than the rest of my hair, and I notice it's this chunk that always gets matted. And then my little test is if I can use a wooden brush and have it go through my hair smoothly, that means my hair is officially detangled and we can move on to the next step, which is oiling my scalp. I'm using my all-time favorite scalp oil treatment, the Blue Beautifly Organic Amalaki Scalp Oil Serum. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know this is my favorite hair product in the world. It's infused with herbal extracts used by Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. It has organic oils and essential oils. It smells incredible, it works so well, and I just get everybody hooked on it because it's so good. And then I'm taking some organic argan oil and just coating the rest of the length of my hair with that. I'm using quite a bit today because my ends are just feeling a bit crunchy. I'll probably cut about 4 inches off this month just to get my ends feeling a bit better. And then I just give myself a good old scalp massage. I really just take my time and work that beautiful oil into my scalp. Now I'm just gonna throw on my satin nightcap and we'll sleep overnight with this oil in my hair to really let it soak in and work its magic. So I'm off to bed and I know I'll be getting my beauty sleep because I will be sleeping on my Birch mattress. So shout out to my amazing sponsor, Birch. Birch makes the most amazing, comfortable, organic, non-toxic mattresses. I love my Birch mattress so much. I've had it for a couple of years and I always recommend them to everybody. They have the original Birch mattress and the Birch Luxe. And I currently have the Birch Luxe. It's just made with organic cashmere, New Zealand wool, North American steel springs, fair trade cotton, and natural latex. And all their mattresses are made in the USA. The natural breathable materials will keep your body cool and comfortable at night, and the non-toxic latex helps to relieve pressure points while the targeted zone lumbar support provides enhanced contouring. And one of the many reasons I love Birch so much is because they have many third-party certifications that do a lot of testing to ensure that the mattresses are completely free from things like formaldehyde, VOCs, heavy metals, pollutants, and more. Because you might not be aware that conventional foam mattresses off-gas these things, but their mattresses are made with natural latex instead of foam, so they're extremely safe for people with chemical sensitivities. And I'm just so grateful that I found Birch and that I have a very comfortable, non-toxic mattress. And the mattresses are easy to order online. Birch will just ship your mattress straight to your door. It comes in a box and you just open it up, roll out the mattress, and it's ready to sleep on. Their mattresses come with a 25-year warranty, and they have a 100-night sleep trial, so you can test your mattress out, make sure you're completely in love with it, and if you're not, you can return it for a full refund. So if you want to make the wise switch to a non-toxic mattress, you can click the link in my description box or go to birchliving.com/holistichabits to get $400 off plus 2 free pillows. But let's get back to the hair care. Now it's the next morning and I'm just shampooing the oil out of my hair to prepare it for the Ayurvedic hair mask I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Goddess Hair Herbal Powder from Hennesuk. It has Cassia to strengthen, Amla to promote growth, hibiscus for shine, fenugreek to thicken the hair, rose petal to balance, and aloe for moisture. It's just the perfect combination of Ayurvedic herbs. So I'm going to put the whole package in a bowl. If you have shorter hair, you probably could get away with half a package. Now for the liquid, I'm going to be using coconut cream, and this is also going to add more moisture into my hair. So I have this organic coconut cream, and I know this looks curdled and sort of like vomit, but I'm pretty sure it looks this way because I buy the kind without stabilizers, so it doesn't have that really smooth, creamy texture. So just try to ignore my chunky coconut cream. Just continue to add that into the powder and keep mixing them together until you get the consistency of pancake batter. And I'm just adding a touch of hot water as well because I did need more liquid. Now for some extra goodness, I'm adding in a bit of organic rose nectar for hydration, and then some raw honey as well. I love raw honey for hair because it's a humectant, so it brings moisture to the hair. So I just keep stirring that together until it's a nice smooth consistency like pancake batter, and then it's ready for use. So I'm applying this to my freshly washed damp hair, but before I apply the mask, I'm just going to detangle my hair. This is a very important step for me. And I'm also taking off my jewelry because I know this is going to get really messy. So here our beautiful hair mask is. It smells so good, I just want to eat it. And then I'm just sectioning off my hair so I can really coat each strand. And I'm using rubber gloves because this will definitely stain my nails if I don't. Then I begin applying my mask, really trying to coat every strand of hair. And just a little heads up, this is going to get pretty messy, so I would usually apply this in the shower if I wasn't filming. And it ended up being the perfect amount of mask that I made, so I used up the whole bowl. But if you've made too much for your hair, you can just freeze any leftovers and use it at another time. Now I'm just throwing my hair up on top of my head and putting a shower cap on to keep the mask from getting everywhere. And now you'll just leave the mask on for at least 1 to 2 hours. And then I throw my handy dandy heat cap on. This heat cap is filled with flax seeds, and you just warm it up in the microwave, and it keeps your head warm while the conditioning treatment is on to really help the mask penetrate better into your hair. And here's a little behind the scenes view. I guess while this mask is on, I will be cleaning up. And while I'm here, I might as well throw on a face mask for a few minutes while I'm waiting. So this is the Blue Beautifly Hibiscus Powder Mask. It has hibiscus flower, licorice root, rose clay, and colloidal oatmeal to really help brighten the complexion. And I really love how my shirt and face mask match. I find it to be very satisfying. And I'll just leave that on for about 5 to 7 minutes. And to remove the mask, I am using a spoon because I saw a video of a girl doing this and I thought that is a really good idea. And then I rinse my face with a bit of water afterwards. And since the hibiscus in the mask can stain the skin a little bit, I'm gonna do oil cleansing with the Blue Beautifly Calendula oil. I don't know which I love the smell of more, the Amalaki scalp oil serum or the calendula oil. But I just give my face a really good massage for a few minutes. And then I just take a steamy washcloth and wipe the oil off my face, and it leaves it feeling so fresh and so clean. Then for hydration, I apply a little bit of rose hyaluronic serum, and then follow up with some moisturizer. But the time is here, it's been a couple hours, so I'm gonna rinse my hair mask off. And I had this lovely idea of doing a mermaid bath because I find it's an easier way to get powders out of long hair. However, I really regretted it because it did stain my bathtub, so I would be very cautious. I have a lot of cleaning up to do because of this hair beautifying routine. Now I'm just gonna go hop in the shower and shampoo and condition my hair and then finish it off with an apple cider vinegar rinse. And now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry and then we can have a look at the results. And here it is. My hair does feel a lot better, but it's still quite dry on the ends and a tiny bit frizzy. However, sometimes I just need a second wash after using herbal powders. Nonetheless, this was a very fun video to film. I love you guys so much. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!